Hello, my name is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off the multimedia system or display or info entertainment system of your 2025 or newer Hyundai. This feature is for the ccNC info entertainment or multimedia system that have brand new Hyundais at this time that I am recording this video. So how you turn off this screen, because for some people when driving, especially at night, is annoying. So basically swipe like this and then click here, display off. Just click and that's it, it's off. If you want to turn on, just one click with your finger and that's it. This is a very nice feature, because as I mentioned to you, for some people it's too bright. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.